I'm Cliff Leisure, creator of the EasyGuide system. It's a system that allows you to load your boat or your personal watercraft by yourself regardless of the crosswind or cross current. When you buy your system, it comes in a box with everything you need. I'm going to show you how to mount it to your trailer of your jet ski or your boat. This metal frame will represent my trailer. Here is my fender. This will represent the axle of my trailer. When you get your box, take all the parts out. In the box you will find 2 floats consisting of tops and bottoms. 2 trailer plates that will fit a 2-inch, a 3-inch, or a 4-inch trailer. 4 sections of arms. Screw and bolt package, a tube of sealant. You will need 2 9/16 wrenches and a Phillips screwdriver, and you will need to obtain U-bolts that will fit the trailer frame that you're going to be using. The most common one right now is the 2-inch trailer frame, and that's what I'm going to show you how to mount this system on. Take everything out of the box, take your floats apart, take your tube of sealant, place a bead all the way around the outside sealing edge of the float bottom, and put a dab in each hole where the screws go. Put your float together, put the screws in the holes, tighten them down. Wipe off any excess sealant. Let them cure. Take your trailer plate. Since this is going to be going on a 2-inch trailer frame, place the trailer plate slightly in front of your axle. The 2-inch U-bolts, place them through the plate, going down. Put the plates on the bottom and the nuts. Do not tighten this down. You're going to want to move this for adjustment. Take your arms. The web section is down. The flat section is the top. Put your arms together. It's a splined fit, very tight. Place the nut in the hole, the bolt in the hole, take your Phillips screwdriver, tighten it together. This arm is complete. Place it onto your trailer plate. Take the bolt, place it in the corresponding holes from the inside out. That is so this section will not rub the hull of your boat. Put the lock nut on there and do not tighten it down at this time. Take the float that you've put together, hold it against the side of the vessel, pick your arm up until it locks into the tines. Place your pin in the holes from the inside out. Set it down. Adjust this to where it is not hanging off the end of your trailer. There's a wide range of adjustment on this. Notice that this is 2-inch offset. You can move this 1 inch in either direction. You can swap the arms to where you have 4 inches of adjustment there. You can swap the top of the arms, which is 4 inches of adjustment there, and another inch of adjustment here. Should you have to adjust these arms, swap them around to where your float is outside of the frame of your trailer, there is a bracket that you can bolt onto your trailer frame with a U-bolt that your float will sit on. What you want to do with this is simply place it just slightly behind the float and fasten it to your trailer frame. It will now hold your float either inside or outside of the trailer frame, wherever it may land. Tighten the bolts down. Snug this bolt down, snug this bolt down. This side is done. Repeat that process on the other side of your trailer. You are now ready to use the EasyGuide system for loading your boat. Back your trailer into the water. The float will stay at the surface of the water. Float your vessel between the 2 floats till you hit the bump stop, latch it, step onto the dock, and drive away. As you pull the trailer out of the water, the boat will come down and rest onto the traveling bunks, and then this float will travel on down and rest on your trailer, and it will not rub your trailer while you're driving down the road. That's all there is to putting the EasyGuide system together and using it. Enjoy.